What's the meaning of convention? Convention. Convention.
Convention. Convention. Convention can refer to a widely accepted or traditional practice, as well as an agreement or gathering of individuals with a shared interest or purpose. The word convention may also be used in a political context to refer to a formal assembly of delegates for the purpose of drafting and ratifying a constitution, or to describe a customary standard or rule that is followed by members of a particular profession or industry. Overall, convention refers to a commonly recognized or established practice, agreement, or standard in various contexts.